Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best Wisdom Teeth Syringe Cleaner available on the market, the 12 ml dental syringe with curved tip and measurement by Vaokin. If you're dealing with oral care after wisdom teeth removal, tonsil stone removal, or even just need a quality irrigation syringe for general dental hygiene, this product is exactly what you need. The Vaokin 12 ml dental syringe is designed with a curved tip that makes it perfect for reaching those hard-to-get spots inside your mouth. Whether you're flushing out food particles or dealing with discomfort after a dental procedure, this syringe will help you clean those areas with ease. The curved design allows you to get into those narrow spaces that a regular toothbrush or floss can't reach, ensuring better oral health and comfort. One of the standout features of this syringe is the precision it offers. Each syringe is made of durable polypropylene plastic and comes with a clear measurement scale, so you can easily control the amount of liquid you use. This is particularly useful when you need a consistent dose for oral care or any other liquid dispensing tasks. The 12 ml capacity is just right for those detailed tasks, making it the perfect tool for maintaining your oral hygiene or even feeding small pets. The syringe is also individually packaged, ensuring it remains sterile until you're ready to use it. This hygienic feature makes it a great choice for various applications beyond oral care, such as essential oil dispensing, lab uses, and even liquid glue filling. Plus, with a plunger design that fits comfortably and ensures easy operation, you can expect smooth performance every time. Whether you're using it for wisdom teeth care, tonsil stone removal, or just as an everyday oral hygiene tool, this syringe is reliable and versatile. The value pack of 10 syringes makes it even better, providing you with a long-term solution at a great price. If you're looking for an efficient, easy-to-use, and hygienic way to improve your oral care routine, this 12 ml dental syringe with curved tip and measurement by Vaokin is exactly what you need. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products to make your life easier and healthier.